Creamy vegan tomato soup. Comfort in a bowl. Hey everyone, Rena here from Rena's Kitchenary. Are you craving something warm, comforting, and totally plant-based? Today, we're making a creamy, dreamy vegan tomato soup that's so good, you won't believe it's dairy-free. Let's get cooking. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes or 2 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes for convenience. We'll also need 1 large onion, a few cloves of garlic, some vegetable broth, and a secret ingredient for creaminess. That secret ingredient? Cash ingredient? Cashews. Don't worry, we'll blend them up to create a luscious dairy-free cream. You'll also need some olive oil, dried basil, oregano, salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Now, let's get started with the cooking process. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and cook until softened, about 5-7 minutes. Next, add your minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can become bitter. These aromatics are the foundation of our delicious soup. Add your tomatoes, fresh or canned, to the pot. Stir in the vegetable broth, dried basil, oregano, salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar. Bring the mixture to a simmer. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. The longer it simmers, the richer the flavor will be. While the soup is simmering, let's prepare our cashew cream. If you haven't already, soak about 1 cup of raw cashews in hot water for at least 30 minutes. This will soften them and make them easier to blend. Drain the soaked cashews and add them to a high-speed blender with about 1/2 cup of fresh water. Blend until completely smooth and creamy. This cashew cream is what gives our soup its luxurious texture. Carefully transfer the soup to a blender or use an immersion blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Be cautious when blending hot liquids. Pour the blended soup back into the pot. Stir in the cashew cream and heat gently over low heat. Do not boil. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Your creamy vegan tomato soup is now ready to serve. Garnish with fresh basil leaves, a swirl of vegan cream, or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Serve with a grilled vegan cheese sandwich for the ultimate comfort meal. Enjoy this warm, comforting bowl of goodness. It's perfect for a chilly day or anytime you're craving a healthy and delicious meal. This recipe is also easily customizable, so feel free to add your own favorite herbs and spices. I hope you enjoyed this creamy vegan tomato soup recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Rena's Kitchenary for more easy and delicious vegan recipes. I'm always sharing new ideas and tips to help you create amazing plant-based meals. Let me know in the comments what other recipes you'd like to see. Also, share your creations with me on Instagram using #RenasKitchenary. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.